Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Today's topic is approximation. The knowledge of our previous topic, place value, will help us to have deep understanding on approximation. According to our question, we have approximate to the nearest whole number. The first thing we need to know is identify our whole number. Please do not forget that the numbers before our decimal point are the whole numbers, and the numbers after the decimal point are the decimal numbers. So A, approximate to the nearest whole number. Where is our whole number? 8467 is our whole number before the decimal point. Now check if the next number after the concerned number is more than 5 or is less than 5. If it is less than 5, then we round everything down to 0. If it is 5 and above, which means more than 5, we round it up as 1. What do we mean by rounding it up as 1? It means we add plus 1 to the underlined or the concerned number. So from this question, we will see that 9 is more than 5. So we round it up as 1. That means we add plus 1 to this whole number, giving us 8468. Put it in block. Question B. Nearest thousand. Nearest thousand. Our first step is to identify which number is our thousand. And from the knowledge of place value, which I taught you in depth, how to label each number, we realize that 7 is our unit, 6 tens, 4 is our 100, and 8 is our 1,000. Now underline 8, which is the 1,000. Check the next number after 8. Is it up to 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5. It means we will round every other number down to 0. There will not be plus 1. So we will have 8, 0, 0, 0. Question C. Nearest 100. Same procedure. Identify the number that is under your 100. 7 is the unit, 6 tens, 4 is 100, and 8,000. So underline 4, which is our 100. Now check the next number after 4. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. It means we will round it up as 1. We will put plus 1 to the concerned number. Now, every other number there will be seen as 0. It means 4 plus 1 will give us what? 5. 4 plus 1, 5. All other numbers will be what? 0. Then we put it in block. Nearest tens. Approximate to the nearest tens. Same procedure. Identify our tens. 7 is our unit, 6 is our tens, 4 is 100, and 8 is 1,000. Tens, we have 6. Now check the next number after 6. Is it up to 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. So we round it up as 1. That means 6 plus 1, and this number will be seen as 0. So we have 8, 4, 6 plus 1, 7, 7, 0. Now, the E part. Approximate to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. Tens, TH here indicates that the number will be within the decimal number. Please do not forget, and it's my previous video in case you don't really understand it. Please go back, refer to the previous video. You realize that tens with S, tens, 1,000, 100, they are all in the whole numbers. And the one with TH, tens, 100, you find them in the decimal numbers. So our first procedure is identify your tens. The first number after your decimal point is your tenth. The first number after your decimal point is your tenth, so underline it. Now check the next number after 9. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. 6 is more than 5. It means you have 9 plus 1. 8, 4, 6. Now, 9 plus 1 will give us 10. It is a taboo for us to write 10. Just the way we have addition and subtraction, 100 tens and units, where we cannot include 10. What we do is write 0 and carry 1. The same thing will happen here. Here, 9 plus 1 will give us 10, so we'll write 0 and carry 1, and the 1 will fall back on 9 to become fall back on 7 to become 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 will give us 8. Now question F. Nearest hundredths. Identify your hundredths. The first number after your decimal point towards the right, which is the decimal number. The first number after your decimal point is your tenth. The next number is your hundredth. So underline it. Now check. The next number, is it 5 and above? Yes, exact 5, which means you round it up as 1. Add it to this 6 plus 1. Your answer will be 8467.97. Question G says, approximate to the nearest 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Please, it means we should have at the end of the day just one number after the decimal point. Just one number after the decimal point. So identify your 1 decimal place. Identify the number that falls on the 1 decimal place. Now, again, G, we have 8467.965. If you want to have a number, just one number after your decimal point, it means this is your first number after your decimal point. So underline it. Now check. The next number after 9, is it up to 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. It means you add plus 1. Then your answer will be 8467 dots, which means, let me go back again, 8468.0. Why? Because 9 plus 1 will give you 10. It means you have to add it up to 7 here. It will become 8468.0. Please, a quick explanation on this. If you are asked to approximate to the nearest 1 decimal place and you have an answer like this, please don't erase the 0. Don't say because we don't have any number there. 1 decimal place means 1 number after the decimal point, whether 0 or not. We have 0 here because there's 9 here. If we have 6, 7, 2, surely we will not be having 0 here. So 1 decimal point, please, even if it's 0.0, let the answer be 0.0. 0.0 here is very relevant. Question H. 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places means 2 numbers after the decimal point. Now identify your second number after your decimal point. This is the decimal point. 1, 2. Underline it. Now check. The next number after the underlined number, is it up to 5? Is it up to 5 and above? Yes, it is 5. So it means we'll round it up as 1 and add it as plus 1 here. So your answer will be 8467.97. Please, how do you know if you are correct? A quick check. 1 decimal place. Make sure that your answer reflects 1 decimal place, has only 1 number after the decimal point. 2 decimal places. Make sure that your answer reflects 2 numbers after your decimal points, please. Now, this will be the end of our class for today. We'll be continuing tomorrow, and if you have any question, please drop at the comment box. I will surely answer. If you have any comment, anything, share also to especially exam classes, JSS3, SS3, and even Primary 6 Common Entrance. They need this the most. We'll solve more questions as we continue. Thank you for watching.